Hey, it's Joey, and I'm really excited to bring today's deal on the 4-piece pocket tool pack. This is an awesome kit that includes some really convenient items that you're going to use every single day. Now, the first item you get is 2 of these luxury ballpoint pens. If you've ever written with those executive style pens, you know how smooth they are to write with. These feel just like that and even feature a twist to open design so you don't get ink on your clothes. But that's not all they feature. These pens also have an onboard flashlight and laser pointer. The flashlight is perfect for those times when you need a little extra light, while the laser pointer is great for pointing things out during meetings or even just some casual fun with your pet. And since it's on a pen, you can always keep it with you. Now, I do want to mention that this is a real laser, so don't point it in anybody's eyes. Now, when you first get your pens, you'll need to remove a plastic tab to turn them on. To do this, simply unscrew the top, remove one of the batteries, and then you'll see the plastic tab underneath that you'll need to pop out. And then when you're done, put the battery back in and screw it back together. Next up in our kit is the 8-in-1 pocket screwdriver. Now, if you've ever used one of these, you know just how handy they are. This one includes 2 slotted, 2 Phillips, and 4 Torx screwdriver bits. These cover the most common sizes, allowing you to tackle a wide range of projects. And just like a professional tool, this one has a magnetic tip, which will keep a firm hold on your drill bit, as well as hold on to any screws you happen to be working with. Now, last up in our kit is the credit card multi-tool. This actually has 11 different functions, which include some really cool things like a saw blade, a can opener, a butterfly wrench, and more. And since the entire thing is made of solid metal, you know it's gonna last you a really long time. Plus, it actually comes with a nice carrying case, so you can easily throw it into any pocket or wallet. Now, I love everything in this whole kit, especially because you can store it just about anywhere. In a drawer, in a glove box, in a tool bag, and it's always there when you need it. Now, I know we have a fantastic deal on these, so you're definitely gonna wanna pick up a few extra for friends and family. And remember, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and pick up yours today.